1949, 50 on the left, 1958 in the middle, 1957 on the right. The two sets, the RCA in the middle and the Hotpoint GE on the right, were actually direct competitors in the 57, 58 model year. Linearity's off a little bit. I still didn't tuck them in, but these run the way they do. The RCA is a much better set. It actually uses a power transformer to operate the filaments in the B+. The GE, which I think looks like a 55 Chevy, is a gutless wonder that uses series filaments. There's no B+ regulation. Cheap set for sure. This one here, the 4950 model, actually is very stable, very well built set by RCA. It's called a T100. And I use this one for alignment for older. I get a lot of these in from the Vintage Radio and Communications Museum of Connecticut. And subsequently, I had to do a lot of IF alignments on those. And I have this one pretty good, so I use it as a standard. So there you have it. The one in the middle here is still a little bit of a roller. I recapped the entire vertical circuit, and I still have a little ways to go. But there you have it. Enjoy. Happy Mother's Day.